just expose the reality of the easiest, fastest, most profound way for you to take your business, income, and lifestyle to the next level that you're probably working on right now, but you've never really thought about scaling up on purpose to make a significant profit. So today I'm going to walk you through how I do that. I actually have the opportunity every Friday to get my hands on between 50,000 and 150,000 brand new, freshly generated business opportunity seeker leads every Friday. So what does it cost me to do that? $30 a month. That's it. Actually, in my reality, in my day-to-day reality, it doesn't cost me $30 a month. I actually make $3,000 a month or more and get the privilege of getting 50,000 to 150,000 freshly generated business opportunity seeker leads every Friday. Actually, I pick them up probably about every Sunday. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that as well. But here's the reality. If you take a look at anybody that's anybody online and they're making a six-figure, multiple six-figure, seven-figure, eight-figure income, it doesn't really matter what they sell. If it's a tool, a software, if they're affiliate marketers, network marketing leaders, they're building an MLM team, they're promoting a high-ticket affiliate program, it really doesn't matter. If you dig deep behind their ads, behind their blog, behind their video marketing, the engine that fuels everything, and you know this, is the big money is always in the list. It's in the follow-up. It's in the process of taking a person from the cold market. You present an offer, they go to your page, your offer looks pretty good, they give you their name, their email address, you add them to a list, you have a series of follow-up messages that help them to help you build a relationship to take that cold market prospect, warm them up, invite them into your inner circle, and now you create a customer and potentially even a raving fan. Well, as you may or may not know, I've actually been online since 1996, and since 1996, my wife Lisa and I, we have made dozens of income streams, where it's six-figure, seven-figure income streams over 2 decades. And the fuel, the engine, the machine that drove all of that. Yes, we did blogging, and yes, we did video marketing, and yes, we did all these things to attract the perfect audience. But then we needed to collect them. We needed to add them to our list to follow up. And over the years, companies come and go, opportunities come and go, affiliate products that once sold really, really well no longer sell because they become outdated. You know all this, right? But the one thing that has always kept us afloat is our email list, the relationship we have with our tribe, with our audience, with the people that have connected with us and remain on our email list. So that's always been very, very profitable. And probably 10 years ago, I actually created our first $1 million online primarily through email marketing. So recently, we started promoting a program called My Lead Gen Secret. In this particular program, I signed up back on March 27 actually. And what this program does, they give you 3,000 freshly generated business opportunity seeker leads per month for $30. If you refer one person into the program, one customer, then they double your leads to 6,000 leads per month, delivered at the rate of 200 leads per day. So if you sign up, you get 3,000 leads per month, 100 leads per day. If you refer someone, 200 leads per day, 6,000 leads per month. But I'll show you real quick, this isn't really what I want to talk about. But as an affiliate, we've been promoting this since, like I said, March 27th. Now I can show you here, they pay commissions down a 5-tier. They only pay like $5 a month for every sign up. It's a 5-tier program. So if I refer you as a customer, you're paying $30 a month for either 3,000 leads or 6,000 leads a month, and the emailer to email those leads. I can show you that here briefly. But if you're doing that, I earn $5 a month. Now, if you go and you refer that to your tribe, your audience, because you know they need leads too, and you get unique leads. Everybody gets a set of unique leads. These are not shared leads, so they're unique to you. So your entire team could be getting 100 to 200 leads per day for $30 a month each. Well, in any event, if you sign up, if you refer somebody and they refer somebody, they earn the $5, good for them. You earn $4, and it goes down the line for 5 tiers. So you earn $5, the next line is $4, $3, $2, $1, and it all adds up. Well, since I've been promoting this since the end of March, we've made, what is this, $18,422. If we take a look at yesterday, for example, I don't know what we did yesterday. We did $352 in commissions yesterday. So as I shared early on, it doesn't really cost me $30 a month to get 50,000 to 100,000, 150,000 fresh leads every Friday. I actually get paid big money and get the privilege of getting all these leads. All right, so let's go back to the story. So to give you an idea, let's just check last month. So last month we did 3,745. So we're actually getting paid to get 6,000 leads a month. Well, what we've done is we've created a lead swap, because everybody who participates in this program gets unique leads. So I'm spending $30 a month, or actually getting paid $3,700 a month, to get 6,000 leads per month. Well, everybody that I've referred is also getting 3,000 to 6,000 leads, and they're all unique. So what we've done is we've created a weekly lead swap, where every Friday we just have an event where I'm gonna go upload 1,400 leads that I got this past week. Everybody else is gonna go upload the 700 to 1,400 leads they received. We're gonna compile them all together into one great big file and then clean them, send them to a list cleaning service, which will remove any duplicates, any emails that are found to be undeliverable, or any known emails to be used as spam traps to keep track of bulk mailers. And once we clean all that up, you're gonna have a set of 50,000 to 100,000. Last week, I think our leads were 136,000 that we got back. Now these are 136,000 leads per week. That was last week. This week we'll probably get another 100,000, 120,000, and these will be unique from last week. So you can literally build your email list at the rate of about 50,000 to 100,000 leads per week for $30 a month. Now you might be thinking, Rob, that's all good and everything, but how the heck are you going to mail them? And that's a good question, because the reality is you can't in most circumstances unless you take your skill set to the next level. And that's really what I want to talk about here, because it's not as difficult as you think. In fact, it's a whole lot easier, I think, than blogging, and a whole lot less time consuming than video marketing. And over the long run, you know, your videos may rank, your blog may rank, you may get a lot of traffic, and then Google, changes their algorithm, or YouTube does something different, and all of a sudden your videos don't rank, your blog posts don't rank, your ads aren't working, and what do you do now? Well, if you had an email list of 250,000 emails, and they've come over time to know you, like you, trust you, all you need to do is send an email and boom, you're in profit. You could go promote a new launch, a Warrior Forum, a JVZoo product, even a hot selling ClickBank product, and actually be in cash flow every single day if you had that email list of people, that universe of people who have come to know you, like you, and trust you. Whether your emails are entertaining, educational, informative, and of course you can buy proven follow-up series to help you build relationships without constantly selling to your group. But again, how do you mail them? Well, you can't upload these leads into GetResponse or Aweber or Constant Contact or ActiveCampaign or Infusionsoft. They're just not going to let you do it. If they do, they're going to require that they double opt-in, and you're going to lose most of them. So there's a couple things you can do. The easiest, best way is in our private group. If you decide to join this program, again, it's $60 when you first sign up, $30 setup fee, and then $30 a month. So $60 out of pocket right away, and then $30 a month, and you're instantly going to get 100 leads or 200 leads within the next hour. But then again, every Friday you can participate in our lead swap and then get a list of 50,000 to 150,000 freshly generated, cleaned business opportunity seeker leads. Again, for $30 a month. And you can do this every single week. So what do? Well, in our group, we actually teach you how to set up your very own autoresponder service on a bulk email server. And you're probably going, whoa, that sounds really hard, and that just stresses me out. Well, one, let me tell you, it costs less than $100 a year. Literally, hosting is $4 a month. We show you step by step how to reach out to Fiverr to get somebody to set it all up for you for $25. Or we have another guy in our group that'll do the whole thing for you for $97. So it costs you a little bit more up front. But for about $150 a year, you can take these 50,000, 100,000, 150,000 freshly generated business opportunity seeker leads. This is a list of people who have raised their hand going, hey, I'm looking for a way to make money online. Show me what you got, right? So they've raised their hand, they're hot prospects. You can upload them into your own autoresponder and start mailing these out. Now, when you first get set up, you can't mail out 50,000 all at once. You need to warm up the server. We teach you how to do that, step-by-step instructions. And within about 60 days, you're going to be mailing out 10,000, 20,000 leads per day. And I guarantee you, I'm absolutely 100% confident, when you start getting serious about your business and adding bulk email marketing, where you're not spamming this list every day with offer after offer after offer and literally being a spammer, you're actually trying to build a relationship with these people to coach them, guide them, entertain them, encourage them into stepping into and living into all of that which they are. Meet them where they are and help take them to the next level. It's a pretty incredible thing. All right, so I'm going to show you how I do this. It's so simple, it's crazy. So this is what we do. I'll show you my actual leads. We get 200 leads per day, every day. So I'm just going to go select the last 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's our last 7 days. So those will be unique and download them. Okay, they're downloaded. Then I'm going to go to our file here. We submit our leads here. Pretty easy. I'm just going to put in my name, put in my email address, how many leads are in the file. There's 1,400. You're going to have whatever you're going to have. We grab the leads, we click upload, and I put in my email, I click submit. Now what's going to happen is the email address that I submit is where I'll receive the cleaned lead file. Now again, I'm not going to show you my private email server. Again, in the group we have instructions on how to set that up. And like I said, it's going to cost you about $100 a year. A little bit of patience the first 30, 60, 90 days as you warm up your server to get your emails in the inboxes. And within 60 to 90 days, you can literally have a database of 500,000 business opportunity seeker leads that you're emailing out at the rate of 5,000 to 10,000 or more per day. And you say, well, Rob, do the leads convert to anything? They do. One of the reasons I keep promoting this program, I'll show you here. If I go over into affiliates and the people, the customers and the affiliates we've referred just over the past couple weeks, I'll show you here. Notice everything that says MLSGS, MLGS. These are all customers or signups or affiliates that came from the leads. These are lead generated sales. So we're actually promoting the lead program called My Lead Gen Secret to the leads they are giving us themselves, which is kind of a mind blower if you think about it. It almost makes it a perpetual money machine. Well, most of these results have all been generated from the leads they give me. So over time, so for example, what I can do today is I can go into their mailing system. I can say, select all the leads you've given me, which is so far 31,800 leads. I write an email, or I use one that I've already written. I can promote anything and everything I want. Keep in mind, these leads consist of people who raise their hand and said, hey, I'm looking for ways to increase my income. I need to make money online. That's my desire. So if you promote anything that can help these people make money online, you might get a lead sale or sign up. So I write my story, I write my email, whatever it may be. In this case, I'm promoting this particular program itself. I select perfect timing, which means they're going to get the email right about the same time they subscribed to receive emails to begin with. Click preview, ta-da, there's our email. Of course, we link back to the program and we click send. So most of those sales that I just showed you have really come from the internal mailer that we're mailing to these leads. So now we're just stepping up the game, doing our own bulk email server through the lead swap. So instead of mailing out 30,000 a day, we can now start mailing out 100,000 a day, 200,000 a day. You can literally write your own first class ticket to success if you're willing to get in, kind of become uncomfortable a little bit as you learn this new way of marketing that you're already familiar with, email marketing, autoresponders, follow-ups, but just take it to the next level. For less than $100 a year, crazy. Be blessed, great marketing. Hope to see you on the inside. So what do you do if you want to be involved in the lead swap? You want to learn how to become a massive emailer where you're basically guaranteed to be able to write your own first class ticket to success regardless of what you promote. You don't have to promote this at all. You can just sign up, get your leads every week so you can go participate in the lead swap to go get 50,000 to 100,000 fresh business opportunity seeker leads every week. For $30, that's a good deal. I'll go invite you into the group, and then every Friday we have the lead swap. So if you miss one, not a big deal. Every Friday you're going to get 50 to 100 to 150,000 freshly generated business opportunity seeker leads, and a complete step-by-step tutorial, resources, swipe files so you can create a follow-up series without having to write them yourself. All of that's available in our group, but you got to reach out so I can get you in the group, get you involved. Be blessed, great marketing. Hope to see you on the inside.